In today's video, I'm going to teach you why PowerPoint won't play any video and how to fix it. If your presentation refuses to play a clip or you only get a black box or an error, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know the exact checks and fixes to get your videos working reliably. First, confirm the video format. PowerPoint works best with MP4 files that use H.264 for video and AAC for audio. This combo is the most widely supported and avoids many codec problems. You can usually check this by viewing the file's properties or details in your operating system. If the file isn't MP4 with H.264 and AAC, that alone can cause playback failures. If the format doesn't match, convert the video before you insert it into PowerPoint. Use a trusted converter and explicitly set the output to MP4 with H.264 video and AAC audio. Avoid simply renaming the file extension. That won't change the underlying codec. After converting, play the new file on your computer to confirm it works, then proceed. When you add the video, insert it properly rather than copying and pasting. In PowerPoint, go to Insert, then Video, then this device, and select your file. This ensures PowerPoint links or embeds the media correctly and reduces the chance of broken references. Copying and pasting can lead to unexpected behavior and missing media. Next, avoid moving the media after insertion. Keep the video in the same folder as your presentation file. If you move, rename, or delete the video, PowerPoint may lose track of it and fail to play it. A simple habit is to create a dedicated project folder that contains both the presentation and all media, and work from there. Make sure PowerPoint itself is up to date. Updates often include media compatibility improvements and bug fixes. In PowerPoint, click File, then Account, and choose Update Now. Let the update complete, then reopen your presentation and test the video again. Finally, check your PowerPoint version. Older releases like 2010 or 2013 support fewer video formats and may struggle even with files that play fine elsewhere. Knowing your version helps you set expectations around what formats will work best and whether an update is needed for smoother playback. Follow these steps in order. Verify the MP4 H.264 AAC format. Convert if needed. Insert via Insert. Video. This device, keep the media in the same folder as your presentation. Update PowerPoint with File. Account. Update Now. And be mindful of the limitations of older versions. With these fixes, your videos should play seamlessly in your slides.